Hey there, it's Todd, and let's talk about basic lighting when you're shooting video. Now, obviously, when you're shooting video, you want to see your subject. So with that, you're always going to need to consider lighting whenever you're shooting video. Now, the easiest way to light your subject is to have them face the sun or a sunlit window. If sunlight isn't available, then place your subject near and facing a light source like a light bulb or an open flame. The key is to get light directly on your subject's face. Overhead lights or lights that are behind your subject are not going to give you the best image possible. Now, in situations or rooms that don't have good lighting, you're going to have to bring in additional lighting to light your subject. This could be as simple as grabbing a lamp from the other room and bringing it in, or you may need to bring in dedicated video lights. So once you master getting light on your subject's face, then you could try adding additional lights. Lights from the side, light above the head, light behind your subject. But keep in mind, even if your scene is supposed to be dark, you need to light your subjects so they can be seen. And with that being said, if you want to learn more in-depth information about this subject or just shooting video in general, check out the Fronos Photo Guide to Shooting Video. I teamed up with Jared Poland from Fronos Photo to create over 6 hours of educational video about everything shooting video. And the best part is that once we show you all the ins and outs on how to shoot video, we take you on 4 real-world video shoots and show you how to shoot a music video, a commercial, a short film, and even a YouTube video. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go check it out at fronosphoto.com/video and check it out for yourself. And you can take advantage of an exclusive discount just for you.